Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class, dear student of Shubhadda High School. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here to take your online class for the students of class 8. Today I will take a grammar based class and the topic name is punctuation and capitalization. Today I will discuss some rules of this punctuation and capitalization. I hope you all will try to practice those rules and try to understand those rules and write it down on your paper, and I hope you all will understand it and it will have in your exam question number 13. Okay, now I am discussing it. See it carefully and follow it what I am writing on board. Okay. See, rule number 1. After completing a sentence, you have to use full stop. You have to use full stop. Okay, now I am giving its example by these rules. Try to understand it. Example: Kamal is a good boy. Here I will set a full stop because I have completed this sentence, so that I have used their full stop. Try to understand it. Okay. Now rule number 2. In the case of abbreviation, abbreviations, you have to use full stop. In the case of abbreviations, you have to use full stop. Now I am giving its example. Try to understand by this example these rules. Okay. Rita is a BA pass. Rita is a BA pass lady. Rita is a BA pass lady. I have used, this is the abbreviations of degree. So I have used their full stop. Try to understand it, dear student, by these rules and write down on your paper. Okay. Now I am discussing other rules. Rule number 3. The first letter of a sentence will be capital letter. The first letter of a sentence will be capital letter. I am giving its example. Try to understand by this example, these rules. Rita is a good girl. Rita is a good girl. Rita is a good girl. This is the first letter of this sentence. So I have used their capital letter. You have to use their capital letter before starting a sentence or before starting this sentence in this word. Okay, try to understand. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. If we see any proper noun in any sentence, you have to use their capital letter. You have to use their capital letter. Okay, now I am discussing a proper noun with a sentence. Okay, we live in Bangladesh. We live in Bangladesh. This is proper noun. So I have used their capital letter. Before starting a proper word, you have to use their capital letter. Okay, try to understand it, what I am writing on board. Okay. Now I am erasing it. You should write it on your paper so that you can practice it at your home without any teacher. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. If we see any name in any sentence, you have to use their capital letter. Capital letter Rita, Mita, Shita, Quran, America, before starting a name, you have to, anywhere, you have to use their capital letter. Try to understand what I am saying. Before starting any name, you have to use their, and starting this word, you have to use their capital letter. Okay? Try to understand it. Rule number 6. Rule number 6. If we see more than one name, if we see more than one name in any sentence, you have to use their comma. Okay. Now I am giving its example also. Try to understand by these rules. Rita, Mita, Geeta, and Sheila are good friends. Friends are good friends. This is some name. This is some name and I have used their comma. This is some name and I have used their comma. Because there are more than one name, so I have used their comma. Try to understand it. Okay, now I am discussing other rules of these capitalization and punctuations. I hope you all will understand it and try to practice it at your home. If you practice it at your home, you all will be able to solve any kind of question number 13, and the topic is capitalization. You all will able to solve it. Okay. Rule number 7. Rule number 7. In vocative case, you have to use their comma. In vocative case, you have to use their comma. Example: Kamal, please do this work. Kamal, do this work. This is a case of vocative. In the case of vocative, you have to use their comma. Okay, try to understand it. Okay, dear student, I hope you all have got little idea about this capitalization and punctuation, and I hope you all will try to practice it at your home and write down in your question paper these rules so that you can try to practice it and try to understand it at your home without any complication. Okay, now I am giving your homework, dear student. Write down your homework on your paper. After the pandemic situation, I will check your homework. Okay. Homework. Practice these given rules with examples. Okay, dear student, no more today. Stay safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.